Hello everyone, Clinton here. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how you can be able to get the Amazon affiliate link to any product on the Amazon website. So before you're able to do this, you have to definitely sign up for the Amazon Associate and create an account there. And you're actually going to use that same email that you used to create that account to open an Amazon account. So right here on the screen, just in front of us right now, this is my associate account, Amazon associate account. And I also use this same email to open another account under the Amazon.com. This is the shopping site. So these two accounts are actually linked together, and it must be that way, or else you won't be getting this Amazon Associate site strip at the top of the homepage. If you don't see that, you won't be able to get the link for the affiliate actually. Okay, so when you actually go into the Amazon.com, which we are in right now, you have to just go ahead and pick any product that you want to be an affiliate to, and share the link whereby people purchase the item and you earn small commission. In my case, I'm interested in electronics. I'm just going to go ahead and click electronics. And from here, I can see a lot of different stuff here. Let's say, for instance, I want to get one of these security cameras and be an affiliate on it. And there are a lot of things that you need to put into consideration before you affiliate any product. Number one is you have to know if that product is actually selling, and you have to know if that product is going to pay you a good commission, because there are some items, they are very costly, but the commission is very low compared to item that is way cheaper than the expensive ones. Those of you that are actually into this affiliate business for quite a long time, you should know what I'm talking about. Okay, so from here now, let's just pick out anything just to show you as an example. I'm going to click on this security camera right here, and it's opened up for us. I'm going to go ahead and choose this first one, which is $29. And from here, we are on the page of this product here. All you need to do right now is just to go ahead and go to the top here where it says Amazon Associate site strip. And from here, you're just going to go ahead and click here that says text. When you click on that text, it's going to bring out this page for you. Here, you're going to see your store ID, your tracking ID. This the value there is actually linked to your Amazon Associate account. So you need to just go ahead and just copy the short link, and then just going to go ahead and right click and copy. But if you want the full link to this product, click on full link, and it's going to give you the full link. And you can also right click and copy. But probably you want it to be a short link, and there is something you need to put into consideration. You have to make sure that you have to know that if someone clicks on your link to purchase a particular item, the person has a window space of 24 hours to purchase that item directly from that your affiliate link, because after 24 hours, the cookie on that person's browser is going to actually refresh, and it's going to be as though the person didn't purchase the item from you. This is something you need to just know. It's not going to be more on your part, but at least you need to know that something like this actually exists. Okay, guys, this is probably everything you need to know. I've showed you how you can be able to get that Amazon affiliate link for any product. Okay, guys, so you can go ahead, give this video a like, consider subscribing to the channel. Okay, that'll be the end. See you guys on the next one. Peace out.